Okay folks, working on a 2010 Polaris Ranger 500 starter. As you can see, I've got the first bolt out. The one back there is going to be a little more difficult because from what I've saw on some YouTubes on some other Polarises, that bolt is going to be too long to come out. So I'm going to have to remove the entire starter with the bolt in it, which is fine. I can do that. The other thing is, I thought these were going to be 10 millimeter because these other two bolts I pulled out were 10 millimeter, but that is not the case. It's an 8 millimeter, and when you're using a little tiny wrench like this, you don't have a lot of leverage. Anyway, it was a little on the tough side to get them broke free, but I did it. I'm about to pull the other one out, and when I get ready to pull the starter out, I'll resume the video.